You're not just a customer, you're part of a relationship. That's the idea at Members First Federal Credit Union. Here to offer that relationship plus financial freedom, we welcome back Mike Wilson of Members First. Mike, Members First has stressed this many times on Good Day PA, that you really do aim to build meaningful relationships. And after talking with y'all, I absolutely believe that. Why is that such a focus for you?
Well, it's critical. When you're talking with your financial institution, there's a level of trust and security that needs to be had there. And the best way to do that is by developing a meaningful relationship with our members, both on the consumer level or whether it's a small business. It's National Small Business Week this week. So we look to do that on all fronts, and then as well as serving the community. It all comes down to one word: relationships.
But that is a little trickier, I think, now, because so many folks are going digital. Does it make it more complicated to build relationships?
Actually, no, quite the opposite. So the reality of it is, this is the branch of the future. And so when you're talking about basic transactional needs, there's a lot that we can do through that very device, and that's where the industry is headed. Having said that, there is still a place for the branch. And what we're looking to do there is relieve that transactional pressure so that we can have those relationship-based conversations that are geared towards advice, consulting, things that you talk about with your trusted advisor.
Well said. That's a great perspective on it. Members First offers Concierge Service.
Yes.
Which is such a fun, the Concierge Service.
That's right. Who doesn't like that, right?
No, I love it. What is that all about in terms of banking?
Yeah, so it's an innovative new service that we offer, and essentially what it means is that you have a dedicated concierge at your fingertips. So you can call, text, email, whatever you need anytime, and we come to you. As busy professionals, people are not always able to get out to a branch during the hours in which they might be open. The reality of it is, with technology these days, we don't need to rely on that. We can come to you. And so having that concierge service means we can deliver that and further cultivate that meaningful relationship with you in person.
It's so interesting, even though you do it via text or via an email, it's inviting that personal connection. So that's really using technology, like you're saying, to foster the communication.
That's right, and it's all about a real live person. So I don't know how many times you may have tried either dictation or arguing with your phone through the bot. We can still use that to connect to a real live person, and that's where our strength is as a credit union. We develop meaningful relationships with people. And
then finally, you mentioned how your phone is really like your branch of the future, but you still are building branches where customers can walk in. Why?
Absolutely, and the transactions that we have, the history shows that our branches are busy. And so what we need to do is be able to process the basic transactions on your cell phone 24 hours a day. But the branches are the place that you go to when you're looking for advice on the right product. So is it a home equity line? Is it a home equity loan? Are you planning for your future? Are you planning for your children's future? All of those moments and milestones that require some good, sound advice, that's what the branch is for.
And come on in, they say. Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Mike.
Happy
Good
to be
see
here.
you. We'll be right back.